Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping automatic uploads. Open Google Photos and tap your profile. Once there, go to Photos settings and choose Backup and Sync. Toggle it off for the account that's saving images. Make sure you're disabling the correct account if you use multiple profiles, and check the Wi-Fi only option first if you prefer limited uploads. Doing this immediately halts new photos from being copied to Google Photos while you proceed to cleaner, deeper settings in the next step. Next, you stop folder level and system sync. In Google Photos, open backup device folders and switch off any folders like screenshots or WhatsApp images that you don't want uploaded. On Android, go to Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Google, select the account, and disable Photos or Drive Sync. If uploads persist, revoke the app's camera or storage permissions to block access. Once done, verify other devices and connected apps so nothing else pushes images up automatically. Finish by removing existing cloud copies and confirming changes. If you no longer want saved images, delete them from Google Photos and then empty trash to free cloud space. Remember, trash holds items for 60 days. Sign out any other devices that might upload content and double-check the account list in photo settings. Make a local backup before permanent deletion so you don't lose irreplaceable files. Troubleshooting tip: if pictures keep syncing, verify you disabled backup and sync on every device and revoked storage permissions where needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.